best time frames for AI trading between 30 seconds to 1 hour. Yes, you heard it right. Today in this video, I'm going to explain what is the best time frame to trade between 30 seconds time frame to 1 hour. So let's head towards my screen and I'm going to show you. So here currently I am on BeCoin.net. You can scroll down towards and here click on day trading. Now, let me explain you that why timeframes are mattering the most when you're trading in the markets. So if you choose the time frame like 5 minutes for different type of markets, for crypto, forex, stocks, doesn't matter whichever market you are trading into, time frame matters most. Because if you choose the wrong time frame for your trading for the wrong market aspect, you will end up losing money. So here on my screen, I have selected day trading section on BeCoin.net. Here you can see the market section, the signal strength section, volatility levels, and the search assets. So let me explain you. For the crypto, the best time frame you can trade on is anywhere between 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Now, why I have decided this time frame? Because crypto is a fast moving market. It moves like blink of an eye and you can see the price going skyrocket upside and skyrocket downside. So 30 seconds to 5 minutes is the most, you can say, the least amount of time you can use to trade crypto, because you can select the assets. Let me select the market crypto right here. Here you can adjust the time frame. If you click on the time frame setup right here, you can select between 30 seconds to 5 minutes right here. And for the forex, if somebody trades forex like myself as well, I trade forex occasionally, and I'm into the crypto markets and stocks. So for the forex, you can trade anywhere between 5 minutes to 30 minutes. Why I have said 5 minutes to 30 minutes? Because forex is a lot more stable than the crypto markets. This market has a lot more stability when it comes to candlestick charts or the price action. It has more stability when compared to crypto market. So you can select the market of forex right here, and you can select the time frames between 5 minutes to 30 minutes right here. Here you can see I have selected 30 minutes for the forex market. Now let's talk about the stock market. Guys, you know that the stock market is the biggest market in the world and it has more stability as compared to the previous two earlier market, which was forex and crypto. The stock market has more stability when it comes to the price action. So for this a lot more stable market, you can use time frame between 15 minutes to 1 hour. The price is stable. Price do not react violently unless any big geopolitical institutional level shit happening, or you can say any news is hitting the market, just like Donald Trump, or you can say any president said anything and blah blah. But market does not move violently when compared to forex and crypto. So for these kind of markets like stocks, bond, ETF, you can use anywhere between 15 minutes to 1 hour. So these are the three markets. For the crypto, you can use the time frame 30 seconds to 5 minutes. For the forex, you can use 5 minutes to 30 minutes. And for the stock market, you can use the time frame 15 minutes to 1 hour. All right, so I have explained to you guys what are the time frames and why these are necessary time frames for the specific markets. Now, let me tell you this day trading section. Let me explain you each and every aspect. So let's move towards my screen. So here you can see all the markets are listed right here, from crypto, forex, stocks, commodities, indices, ETFs, and bonds as well. On the right side, you can see signal strength, all signals strong buy, neutral, sell, and then strong sell. And here you can see all the volatility levels mixed with high, medium, and low volatility levels. All right, so now here you can see the below side, the asset name, the prediction, the sensitivity, the time frame adjustment, the direction stability, the confidence score, and the RSI zone. Now let me tell you step by step what are these options. So here you can select the market. So let's suppose I select crypto market. Here you can adjust the signal strength. Either you want to just like hunting for a normal buy signal for a long term, you can select for between strong buy and buy the neutral. And if you are seeing for a sell side signal, you can select the sell or sell strong. For the volatility level, if you are hunting for a high volatility level pair, or you can say forex, stocks, or crypto, you can select the level right here, high, medium, and low volatility. Also, you can select any asset name right at this section. My mouse is on. Also, you can see here below this asset name is listed right here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, XRP. The prediction. So this is a important thing. The prediction means where the price is going to head in the near future. Depending upon the time frame and the sensitivity you have selected, it depends where the price is gonna head it. So the prediction section shows us where the price would likely to be in the near future. And for the sensitivity level, also, it shows how quickly that action is going to be done in the near future or in the coming future. So let's suppose I selected a Forex signal towards Euro to JPY towards upside. So the sensitivity would show me that how quickly or how likely this is going to be happened. On the right side is listed time frame. As I explained earlier, you can click it and adjust between hours to seconds from this section, depending upon your trading style. For the direction stability, it says just like how you can say the price is. If you see a short sell signal or a buy side signal, you can see likely to be on the left side that how much this signal has changed in the past 5 minutes. If the signal has changed in the past 5 minutes, like less than 5 minutes, you are going to see a score below 50%. If the signal haven't changed since the last 5 minutes, you are going to see the signal strength above the 50%. For the confidence score, if you hover it around here, you can say it says quality score calculated from live forecast variables, confidence 10 strength, volatility balance, and time frame fit. A score above 50 means trend direction is strong enough for this setup. So I hope you understood the confidence score as well. For the last but not the least is RSI zone, which is also known as relative strength index. So whenever the RSI is between 30 to 20% level, it means the price is in the oversold region and will likely to climb up in the near future. Obviously, you have to combine this with other aspects as well, but this is a signal zone, okay? And if the RSI is on the overbought region between somewhere between 70 to 90%, it's likely to say that the price could fall below. Now let me show you that I have selected crypto right here. And if I select strong buy zone, you can see on the 5 minute zone, let's give this website a bit much time. And let me select the time frames to 30 minutes for right here. And you can see then the 30 minutes, it says Bitcoin could go above 72%. Chances are the price could go upwards. The sensitivity has 3 stars on it. Let me go back. Okay, right here, day trading. Okay, all the levels, 30 minutes. Let me select the time frame. Okay, right here, you can see it's showing Ethereum right now. 66% is towards upside. The sensitivity has 3 stars. And you can see the direction stability is 72%, which means the signal hasn't changed in the last 5 minutes. The confidence score is also 76%. And the RSI is in the neutral zone. RSI is in the neutral zone. All right. So this means that the setup could be taken, but make sure you should combine all your research and technicals and fundamental news as well while taking the signal from this website, because this website does not give any kind of financial advice. You can also apply all these concepts on Forex as well right here, and you can also apply the concepts on stocks right here as well. Let me show you a bit more. Okay, let's select 4 hour here. You can see on the 4 hour, you can see the Nvidia says prediction 71% upside, and the sensitivity has 3 stars. The stability score has 78%, and the confidence score is 88%. The RSI is overbought region. So I hope I am able to explain you guys what is this day trading section is all about. So now let's head towards our third part. All right, so now as I have shown you how to use the day trading features of this website, now I would like to show you the most 2 key important thing, which comes under the category of risk management. So now if you head towards this website and click on the tools section right here, you would have to go towards this position size calculator. Now what it does, let me show you into my screen. that here you can select the exchange you are trading on. Let's suppose if you are trading on Binance, you can click it right here. If you are trading on Bybit, you can click it right here. If you are trading on OKX, right here, the BitGet and the DYDX as well. So as I personally use this exchange, I have clicked right here. You can enter your account balance. Let's assume I have a account balance of $5,000, okay? Now, what am I doing on my chart? Like I have select the ticker right here, the Bitcoin. And if I'm doing long, I would select long, and short if I'm doing just short. So let's select long right here. Here, I would like to enter my entry price, which would be $60,000. The stop loss would be around $58,000. And the take profit should be around $62,000. The leverage I am selecting would be around 50x, and the fees right here. So here on the right side, you can see this will select your position size. With the 50x leverage, 5,000 account balance, your risk per trade would be 2%, and your position size would be 0.05 Bitcoin. The amount you will risk is $100. The net loss, if you would be stop loss, there would be 102.1. The risk to reward ratio would be 1.1 risk to reward ratio. The potential profit would be $100. The net profit after the fees would be 97.90. You can see the total fees round trip right here. The break-even price, like if you want to break even your trade, the price written right here need to be the asset needs to come mandatory on this price if you want to do the break even. The stop distance would be 3.33%. Margin required would be 60, and the effective leverage would be 0.60. Basically, this position size calculator shows you what's your perfect position size for your trading, whatever asset or market you are trading. So here you can calculate your position sizing. As you can see, 0.05 Bitcoin. And here you can see the liquidation safety, which is around danger level. I am just explaining you guys hypothetically so you can enter your actual prices and calculate it. Also, you can see here it's written drawdown simulator. You have to do 5 losses on, and you will be on $4,590 balance with 9.61 drawdown. To recover, you will need 10.6%, and up to the 30 losses, and you will be ending up on $2,727 by risking and removing your 45.45% of your total capital. So make sure to use this position size calculator under the tools section right here. So the second tool I would like to explain you guys is risk to reward calculator. Now what it does, the first one was what should be your ideal position size, and the second one is risk to reward ratio calculator. So if I select long size right here, the ticker would be Bitcoin, the entry price is 65,000, the stop loss would be 64.50, and the take profit would be 74,100. The position size would be 1,000, and the estimated win rate is 50%. Let's do a quick math right here. This calculator will gonna do all the math, all the hectic thing by itself automatically. So here you can see the risk to reward ratio with this position size and the balance with 50% win rate would be 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and the risk would be $70, the reward would be $140. You are risking 7%, the reward would be 14%, the break-even win rate would be 33% with this estimated win rate, and the units you need to trade would be 0.015385 Bitcoin. And you can see the expected value is $35. So under the tools category, you can find both of these calculators, as these are very important for any trader trading any market, doesn't matter. These two calculators are very important. The number one is position size calculator, and the second is risk to reward calculator. Make sure you can find it under the tools section. Right, the first one here is position size calculator, and the second one is risk to reward calculator. So now, as I have explained to you guys about the time frames, about the position size calculator, the risk to reward calculator, all the risk management and the technical stuff, now I would like to show you that you can practice all these signals into a built-in paper trading simulator. Now, if you head towards BeCoin.net website, click on the tools section right here, and you click on this paper trading simulator right here. You will end up on this paper trading simulator right here, which is built in on this website. You can also use the signals from this website. Let me head towards it. Just a second. Here, you click on day trading, and you will find all the signals listed right here under this section. Let me do a 30-second time frame. And here are all the signals. Now you can use these signals to trade on this paper trading simulator. Here you can select your asset. Let's see, this says Bitcoin towards downside with sensitivity too high, the confidence score. You can come onto this website, select on Bitcoin, select the time frame, select your position size, and click on the downwards region. Now, this is just a paper trading simulator, so you can test your strategy. As I have explained earlier and said earlier, this website does not provide any financial advice. Do your own research plus technical analysis and all the other stuff around when you are taking the trades. This is just a paper trading simulator, so you can practice all your strategies and the signals provided on this website. Here I have just put a random trade to show you guys that how this, you can say, the simulator works. Here you can see a $100,000 loss. This is just a paper trading example. So you can adjust all the signal strengths right here and the levels right here. Also the time frames under this section. Let me do a buy side. Okay. Here you can see the tether appeared and disappeared. Let me select the signals. Here you can see the Ethereum downside. Let's open the Ethereum chart right here. And you can adjust your trade size right here. Let me show you all the features. If I put a downside trade right here, I can see my open trades right here. The profits hovering with the $100,000 position right here. The close trades right here. You can see all my trades, my profits, wins, loses right here. The open trade is right here. Also, you can select the time frames clicking on these buttons listed above. Also, you can select all, you can see the indicators from this section. Big means here you can see $88,000 win. Well, this was a random trade. So you can also select all the indicators listed right here. You can see the trade history. You have done 6 winning, 3 losing, 3 plus difference, 67% win rate. The realized P&L is $191,000. The best win was $90,000. These are all my personal trade which I have practiced on this simulator. And here you can see a trading live board. Also, you can see keyboard shortcuts right here. On the right hand side, you can adjust trading panels. Let me do it. Just a second. Okay. Here it is. So you can use downside for the short and upside for a long button. You can adjust the time frames accordingly right here. The trade time frames. For the chart time frames, you can select it between minute 1 to day 1. Also, you can select your position size, or you can enter any amount you want to enter. Also, if you want a preset, you can also click on these buttons: 1K, 5K, 10K, 50K, and eventually the 100K. Here it's written payout would be plus 88%. When you put whichever amount you put, the payout would be 88% of the total amount. So I hope I will be able to explain you all these key features of this paper trading simulator. You can select the signal strength right here and do your own research, technical analysis, all the analysis, risk management. Then you can come here on this website to click on the paper trading simulator, and you can trade with up to $1 million balance depending upon your trading capital. All right, so this was it. This is the whole video about the best AI signals between 30 seconds to 1 hour time frame. I have explained to you guys what time frames matters the most for which type of markets. I also explained to you guys about the whole process to take the AI trading signals from this BeCoin.net website. Also, I've explained to you guys about the position size calculator and the risk to reward calculator, which comes under the category of risk management. As you guys know, risk management is the backbone of any trader watching this video all over the world. As I have explained earlier in this video, now let me tell you that this website does not provide any financial advices, or you do not have to take any trade based on these signals. Do your own due diligence. Plus, also try everything possible into your knowledge about the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis. Always watch for any news could be hit the market at any moment. Now, what's the key lesson here? The key lesson here is the shorter time frame means higher noises on the chart, which needs higher confidence threshold. But the higher time frame has lower noise on the chart, plus it's also need higher confidence threshold, but not as high as the shorter time frame. So make sure to do own due diligence before taking any trades, and try the paper trading simulator while picking the signals from this section. I'll see you guys into the next video. Until the next time, happy trading.